This desolate house is all that remains of what once was a thriving neighborhood in a riverbank community in Cagayan de Oro in the Philippines. All other houses were completely wiped out in the 2011 floods caused by tropical storm Sendong.
Nung unsa gid kataas day ang tubig nung? Tudua dayon.
Kanang kuan tiris.
Kana liging salog sa teres.
Oo, salog sa tiris.
Jesus Maria.
A lone survivor, Mr. Saturnino Zambrano shows how high the water rose during the storm. He and his family are the only people remaining in the area because they have no means to move. Sendong took the lives of over 1,300 people, as this monument in the city center recalls. It exposed the vulnerability of the area's water infrastructure and highlighted the lack of resilience of the river catchment and the water supply infrastructure. Upstream, deforestation, monoculture and slash-and-burn agriculture practices are just some activities that result in a downstream catchment that is extremely vulnerable to flooding. These problems are complex and intertwined. In general, policies on logging, poaching and mining are enforced only weakly, and agriculture is slowly creeping into forest lands. In this process, ancestral domains of indigenous people are often not recognized. Also, there is an overall lack of understanding of the delicate balance that exists between land use upstream and its consequences for the downstream areas. The risk of flooding is also a constant threat to the operations of the Cagayan de Oro Water District, or COWD. Their main booster pumping station was completely flooded during Sendong and again during tropical storm Vinta in December 2017. As a result, the population of Cagayan de Oro had no water for 3 weeks until everything had been restored. COWD is now receiving support from the Netherlands drinking water company VEI to address these issues and become more resilient to flooding.